Welcome back, dear children. I hope you all are keeping well. In your last class, you learnt about the evolution of man. It was the beginning of the life on the earth. In the early stages, man was rough and uncivilized. Let us have a quick recap first, and then we'll continue to explore more about the life of early man. Now children, as we all know that the prehistoric man or the early man behaved more or less like animals. There was a gradual development in man's life, and his lifestyle and appearance changed with the passage of time. He led a nomadic life and wandered from one place to another in search of shelter. That is why they are also called as gatherers and hunters. They lived in tree holes, on tree branches, in caves, and deep inside the forest. They used to eat fruits, berries, nuts, vegetables, and used to kill animals for flesh. The prehistoric men never wear clothes to cover their body because they had no idea about it. The early men used stones to make tools and weapons. This period is called the Stone Age. The Stone Age is further divided into Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. The life of early man varied at different stages of the Stone Age. Today, we are going to talk about Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age. Now children, during the Old Stone Age, early men used to move from one place to another. They were known as nomads, as they never settled at one place. They lived in groups for protection, food gathering, and social interaction deep inside the forest in the caves. They started covering their body using the animal skin or hides, leaves, and bark of the trees. They used spear, hammer, and axe heads as their tools and weapons. These tools were very big, crude, and were not polished. They used these tools to protect themselves from the attack of wild animals and enemies. They also used these tools to cut trees and kill the animals. Now children, Old Stone Age was the period when fire was discovered. The discovery of fire changed the life of early men completely. The first fire that they noticed were accidental. The lightning that struck trees or dry grass and set forests on fire. Eruption of volcanoes. Fiery lava burnt everything. All these things must have frightened the early human. However, they also discovered that fire can hurt them and at the same time can keep them warm. They also noticed that fire kept wild animals away. Now let us watch this video that will show us the discovery of fire in detail. One day, early man was busy in their daily life as usual. Suddenly, they saw something burning. They were shocked. They rushed to that place to find out what's going on in the forest, as this incident was completely new for them. When they reached that place, they saw the wildfire spread across the forest. They saw the trees and the animals burning in the fire. They were curious to know what's going on, but they waited in their caves for the fire to stop, as it was very intense. When the fire stopped, they went to see what happened there in the forest. They saw the trees and the animals burned and dead. They ate that dead animal. They liked the meat as it was soft and tasty. They enjoyed eating cooked food. So they took some fire along with them to cook their own food. But they had no idea how to light the fire. They brought this fire from the forest. But one day, accidentally, while rubbing two stones against each other, fire was produced. And finally, this is how fire was invented. After that, they used stones to light the fire. Fire led to the development of human civilization. Life of early human became little different in the Middle Stone Age. They started eating cooked food. They started using fire as they were aware of its use. They knew that the fire will keep them warm and safe. After the discovery of fire started the Middle Stone Age, where the life of early human became little different. He started using smaller and sharper tools. These tools were polished. They started using animal bones and horns as weapons for hunting. These new tools made hunting and cutting of animals easy. These tools brought a great change in the life of early men. So children, here are some of the tools and weapons used by early human in the Middle Stone Age. Now let us have a quick recap of whatever we have learned today. We'll start with the Old Stone Age. Now early man led a nomadic life and wandered from one place to another in search of food. They usually lived deep inside the forest. They used crude tools without polishing them. The life of the early men in the Middle Stone Age was more or less similar to the Old Stone Age. He started using smaller, sharper and polished tools. He was well aware of the use of fire and started formation of the settled communities. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay positive. Thank you. Take care. Bye.